After knowing what is HDFS and its key features, it is very important to understand the read and write process of HDFS. So in this section, let's talk about the process of writing and reading data in HDFS. The HDFS data writing process is as follows. First, the service application invokes the API provided by the HDFS client to request to write data. Second, the HDFS client contacts the name node, and the name node will create metadata for the writing request. Third, the service application invokes the write API to write the file. Then after receiving the service data, the HDFS client obtains the data block number and location information from the name node and establishes a pipeline with data nodes on which the data needs to be written. Then the client writes data to data node 1 using its own protocol, and data is replicated to data node 2 and data node 3. After data is written, a message is returned back to the HDFS client. When all data is confirmed, the service invokes the HDFS client to close the file. Finally, the HDFS client contacts the name node to confirm that the writing task is done, and metadata persistence work is also conducted on name node. This is how HDFS writes data. And the data read process is just very similar. First, the service application invokes the API provided by the HDFS client to open the file. Second, the HDFS client obtains file information such as data blocks and data node location from the name node. Then, the service application invokes the read API to read the file. Based on the information obtained from the name node, the HDFS client contacts the data nodes to obtain the corresponding data blocks. And here, multiple data nodes may be contacted. Finally, after the data is read, the service invokes the close function to close the connection. This is all about HDFS. Next, we will talk about Zookeeper. This is all about HDFS. Next, we will talk about Zookeeper.